theme of Kilig since lahat ng tao is nakaka-relate dito. And for the lyrics, kami rin po yung nag-compose based on our experiences.
Napakahusay. Would you like to add to that? Yes. And also po, like, everyday po, ano po yung nag-feel nyo, how do you feel today? So, ayun, una po, nag-feel po namin na excited kami to perform!
Actually, kasi super nakakakilig po siya kasi syempre it's our first TV. So, very kilig mo na darama talaga.
Messaging our whole audience is killing you.
Baka you want to share your social media handles to your fans?
Yes, tama. Saan pa ba namin kayo dapat abangan?
And gusto po namin kayo invite sa aming official debut launch happening this July 31st. And of course po, yung mamaya, ang aming music video, Darama, ilalabas na po siya, premieres at 5 in the afternoon. Please stay tuned. Stay tuned po, so mapapanood niyo po yan sa aming YouTube channel. And for more updates, please do follow our social media accounts at una.official_. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Una, and congratulations.
Anaminuno nga pinayungan, kaupay daw hini ay ahay hinipakitan, naimugsula inihan pakuran dito halawaan, agitaw upunan pakuranan kwarta ngagin sa brag ni Congressman.